Hi guys, welcome you all to Ankush Experiments YouTube channel. This video will be very short and informative. So in this video, I am going to talk about an important settings of Facebook. Before starting, I request you all to kindly check my video playlist and watch the technology related videos. And please subscribe the channel if you like. We all know that when we are in online on Facebook, there are being shown a green point or dot just the left bottom corner of profile photo, and we can identify that person is online. So if you want that anyone cannot identify that your online state, so you have to change that settings. Let me show that how to do this. So first go to Facebook, and then click the three lines at the top of the corner, right corner. Scroll down and you can see settings and privacy option. Click on it. And you can see settings option. And click on settings. And scroll down again. You can show active status. Click on it. Here you can see this option is enabled. So you can disable it. Turn off. So the settings is changed and anyone cannot see you when you are online or offline. So thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel. Bye.